Hey, good afternoon from the Bornstead. I've got Eliana here.
Hi.
And Ahava.
Hi.
We are going to be making some homemade mayonnaise today. We have realized that mayonnaise has sugar in it, and since we are doing our 90-day no sugar challenge, we are going to make our own mayonnaise today using an immersion blender. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to add is 3 egg yolks. We have some beautiful egg yolks from our lovely chickens out back. So Eliana just put in the 3 egg yolks. Okay. Got it?
Yep.
All right. And then next we're going to go ahead and move on to what's next, Hava?
Lemon juice.
The lemon juice. We have a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of lemon juice that we're adding. Okay, next we have a half teaspoon of
Sugar.
Salt.
Salt.
No sugar.
We definitely don't want sugar. Right, Hava?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Then Eliana's going to move down and she's going to add a teaspoon of honey. We have some raw organic honey that we're using today. All right. And then last but not least, we're going to be adding in our oil. We've chosen to use some avocado oil. It's a cup of avocado oil because we have heard that it is a little bit more mild in taste, and that's what we're going for. So we added it right on top. All right, now Eliana is going to get the immersion blender. You scooch over a little bit, Hava. All right, she's going to take the immersion blender and put it all the way down to the bottom. And she is going to start it down at the bottom and get it good mixed down at the bottom, and then slowly move her way up to emulsify the oil and the eggs together. All right, go ahead, Ellie. So leave it down at the bottom for a minute and make sure it gets good and mixed.
Should I start going up?
Yeah, does it look like it's getting good mixed down there?
Yeah, it looks like it's starting to come up.
Okay. And then as it starts to come up, you move up just a little bit.
Looks like it's almost at the bottom.
Keep going up. Really well mixed. Yeah, keep it going the whole time. Yeah, you don't have to stop.
The oil's
So-
still not mixing pretty well.
It's all right. Keep going. Move it around a little bit if you need to. Cut it from side to side. So we are making this mayonnaise today to use in our lunch. We're having Big Mac salad, and Big Mac salad takes 1,000 Island dressing to go on it. So we are making our own 1,000 Island dressing. So we are making our mayonnaise. We already have some homemade ketchup made up. We did that last night. So we're going to mix all of those things together and be able to make our dressing to go on our lunch today. A delicious salad. Basically, it's like a hamburger, a Big Mac over salad without buns or anything like that. So it's really tasty. All right, how's it looking, Ellie?
Still looks like it needs more.
A little bit more? Okay, go ahead and do a little bit more. Okay, move it up and down around. Get it all mixed in.
Looks like it's getting all around it. Not sure if this is done. Can you come my phone?
Okay. All right, let's go over and take a look real quick.
Yeah, I need to scoop all that out.
Yeah, that looks good to me. That looks like some beautiful mayonnaise right there. So we're gonna grab a spoon and scoop it all out. We're gonna measure out a cup of it. All right.
Go grab a spoon now.
I'll go grab.
All right, Elliot, Hava's gonna grab a spoon for us. You wanna release it?
How many?
Just one.
I'm doing the same last time.
Okay, so we're gonna take that on over here.
Yeah. Do you got it here?
Where we have our tablespoon. There we go. Thank you, Hava. She's a good helper.
Do you have a cup?
All right. I'm gonna grab out a measuring cup. Hava, you wanna take this? All right.
Good.
That's good.
Measuring cup for.
Yep, because we're gonna measure the mayonnaise. All right, so Eliana's gonna put a cup of mayonnaise. Look how nice and thick that mayonnaise is. Yum. Okay. Almost there.
One more.
A little bit more. All right. About a cup, Al?
Yep. It looks
All
like
right. Little less than a cup. Probably do a little bit more. Hava, do you want to go ahead and put in the relish?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Wait,
We have
what?
some. Yep, the
Can I
relish.
put the mayonnaise in? No, that in.
The mustard.
Mustard.
Yep, go ahead and put the relish in first. Okay, we got some dill pickle relish. We're going to pour that in. We're going to add in our cup of homemade mayonnaise. Okay, Ellie, let her use the spoon to scoop out the mustard. You're going to put the mustard in, Hava? Careful. All right, Ellie, let her scooch in there and do it. You got it? All right, we good, Hav?
Looks like it.
All right, good. Put that down. We're going to still use that spoon, Hava. And Ellie's going to put 4 tablespoons of our homemade ketchup that we did last night. Ellie, you want to kind of turn it on its side so it's easier. Turn it towards you on its side
Like
so it's
this?
easier to reach in. Yeah.
2.
There's 2. All right. And the relish, we also had 4 tablespoons, and the mustard was 4 teaspoons.
Mom, can I just-
All right,
can I
so we
grab-
got that. So Hava's going to start mixing it up for us.
Can I move on to there, Mom?
Yep, just go ahead and go right there. It's perfect. Mix it all together. It's looking delicious. In a second here, we're going to recognize some beautiful Thousand Island dressing.
Ellie.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Looks really fluffy.
Yeah, it does look a little bit clumpy today. Part of that is from the dill relish that we put in.
It looks more than clumpy. Or more than normal.
A little bit more than normal.
How they can have turned.
All right, let Ellie have a turn.
Yeah,
Kind of scrape it off the sides a little bit.
Looks pretty mixed.
All right, that was looking so good. All right, so that's gonna go on our Big Mac salad today. We're gonna have a delicious lunch. All right, thanks ladies, I appreciate it.